You remember the show Friends?
Yeah, I remember.
You ever heard of that show? Friends. It was a big hit. I don't know. It was like back in the 60s.
I wouldn't go that far.
What was it, the 90s?
It was the 90s, yeah.
It was the 90s.
It was
Early
near
90s.
what, Seinfeld? It was
Yeah.
after Seinfeld, right?
Back in the 90s.
We're so old.
Well, I was watching this clip and I was like, oh man, they're so old, so I'm so old, so
Yeah.
life is over. Okay, cool. Anyway, they're doing a reunion, I guess. And they're doing a reunion, like a show. But they did this pre-interview and people are worried about Matthew Perry
Uh-oh.
because they say he had the 1,000-yard stare. And, and,
No.
and he was slurring his speech as well.
Wait.
So he's 50.
Really? Oh, no.
So he's 51, and he has struggled in the past with addiction.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Apparently really bad during Friends, like one of the seasons.
He was struggling with the addiction, and so they rolled him out for this. They all got together. There's a clip at the bottom. I don't know. You can play some of it. I'm sure you can play some of it. But, I mean, none of them, it's age, it's time. You know, it's a rough one, ain't it? It'll get you, won't it?
It's a weird one. The
Time
reunion.
and age and I don't know, maybe you got to kind of scroll through, but there's a moment, scroll a little bit more. He also makes kind of a weird joke at one point. They ask,
It's
Go some, he's
can't- I
looking
already
down
can't
a
even
lot.
Do this.
you can do it. And he makes a weird joke at the end. They're like, what would you say your relationship is like, you guys? And the other two guys say, you know what? It's kind of like siblings or something like that. And then he goes, except sexual.
Oh.
And they laugh, but it's almost in a kind of nervous way. Like, wait a minute, what? And so anyway, I don't know. Will, you can watch the clip and let me know. But time, it'll get you.
Yeah.
These, I mean, some of them would want to do it. Others would have had to have been pressured. It's.
There's a money component as
It's
well.
all money.
There's a money component in there. And, well, I mean, this is us at some point. We're doing a reunion of this show right here, and we're 800 years old. And then other people who are also 800 years old want to watch it. So what's the difference? I guess it doesn't even matter. But I hope he's all right. I don't know.
I think just act the way you are. Then at that point, the difficult thing is then you're pressured to kind of recreate that character from decades ago, and
Yeah, sometimes it doesn't read well in today's climate.
and it's difficult. You it's just the lost years. You can't.
It's also weird that we kind of, in a way, want things to stay the same. Like we want to relive and have it
and force other people to do so.
To do the same, and it's playing the hits. You go see the band that was your favorite. You know, play the thing from 30 years ago because it's really a reflection on you and the fact that you don't want to move on. That's a rough one.
Yeah,
but I don't know. I don't want to be doing any reunions, man. Well, don't you dare come to me when I'm 87 years old. If we're going to do it, we're going to have to do something new. We're not going to rehash the thing.
Okay.
We'll do something new. We'll play chess or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
Chat a little bit.
Yeah.
When we're that age. We'll have like a nice espresso or something. And we can reminisce, but we don't have to put the outfits back on. You don't have to put that exact outfit back on.
No?
No, you don't.
Okay.
No, you don't.
Yeah. I'll be glad not switching the keys.
You could be something completely different. Whatever you want to be, man.
Okay.
20, 30 years from now, you could just be wearing a Metallica shirt. You could have piercings, or you don't have to do that either.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes.
You know.
I think I'll play chess with you though.
Sounds like a good plan. We don't even. No one has to watch any of it.